The Delhi High Court is hearing one of the most crucial petitions related to India's largest engineering entrance exam, the JEE Main 2025. Students have raised concerns about score discrepancies and irregularities that could potentially affect thousands of candidates. So, what exactly is the issue? Let's break it down in today's episode of Straight Up by edX Live with me, Soumyangi Yadav. At the center of the matter are two students, Anusha Gupta and Shashank Shekhar Pandey, whose dramatic score discrepancies have sparked a wider investigation into the integrity of JEE Main 2025. But it's not just about them. At least 60 other students have reported similar issues with their scorecards this year. More importantly, the outcome of this case could shape the academic future of thousands who appeared for the exam. The investigation has been slow so far. Students allege that the matter is being deliberately delayed and passed between agencies to avoid accountability. The Central Forensic Science Laboratory (CFSL) first declined the case, citing a lack of technical capability. It was then transferred to the National Cyber Forensic Laboratory (NCFL), which has asked for multiple extensions despite clear court directions. A recent court order dated May 30, 2025 by Justice Vikas Mahajan reflects the court's growing frustration. When NCFL requested a 20-day extension, the court granted only 15, citing the urgent nature of the matter. Earlier orders by Justice Mahajan also suggest that the court views this not as an isolated issue but as a possible systematic problem affecting the entire JEE Main process. The NCFL has been specifically instructed to look into whether the system was tampered with or suffers from inherent discrepancies, directly challenging the National Testing Agency's claim that the exam is fully computerized and managed by the National Informatics Center. Meanwhile, a JEE Main candidate, Tushar Ganguly, has launched a Change.org petition demanding a transparent and timely investigation. It has already gathered over 800 verified signatures. In a conversation with edX Live, students said, and I quote, "This isn't just about scores anymore. It's a question of credibility and institutional trust. We have seen what happened with NEET, and we cannot afford another such situation with JEE." Unquote. The court order on the Delhi High Court hearing held on Thursday, July 3rd is still awaited. What do you think should be done to address these concerns? Let us know in the comments below. That's all from us today. Do like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. We will be back with another video tomorrow. Till then, stay safe.